Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can invite friends and get rewarded on the Cointiply application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Cointiply application, and after you are logged into your account, you will be taken into the homepage. Now, if you wish to invite friends and get rewarded, then in order to do so, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner, and you will now see the Share and Earn option. Go ahead and tap on it, and this will then give you your referral link. You simply need to share this link with whoever you want to invite, and the person can simply tap on it to download the app and complete their sign up. So tap on the Share Your Link option, and you can now directly use various applications to send your invite link. After your link has been sent, your friend will simply need to tap on the link, and after the app is downloaded, they can sign up to the Cointiply app, and as soon as their sign up is completed, you will get your bonus right away. And you can use the same link to invite as many friends as you wish to increase your bonus within the platform. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to invite friends and get rewarded on the Cointiply application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.